Is it too late to grow an audience on LinkedIn? And honestly, is it even worth building your personal brand there anymore? I'm going to keep it real. Here's why LinkedIn is still the best platform to build your personal brand in 2024, and it's only going to get better in 2025. I'll break it down into 3 simple reasons. Reason 1, building a following on LinkedIn is still easy. I have a client who's grown from 0 to 14,000 followers in 6 months. And these are not random followers. They're engaged, hyper-targeted people who care about the value my client has to offer. The second reason, buying behavior on LinkedIn is really strong. The platform where decision makers hang out. It's also where you can get access to high net worth individuals, ultra high net worth individuals, and generally the people on here are serious. You know, the average income on the platform is said to be in excess of $75,000 a year. You can also really build a loyal community of people with no like and trust for you and your brand. And monetizing is almost effortless, even when you're just organic. If it's job hunting you're looking for, that's where the people are hanging out. But today it goes way beyond job hunting. It's about making serious moves, B2B collaborations, finding partners, investors, venture capitalists, or just your first clients. Reason 3. It's my favorite because I don't know any other platform out there that does this. LinkedIn does something that Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok does not do. Long-form platforms like LinkedIn, my top pick obviously, email, podcasts, and YouTube allow you to build deeper, more meaningful connections. And no matter what industry you're in, the goal is simple: drive business revenue. But here's the thing. It's not just about doing business revenue or getting a few clients. It's about doing it consistently. Having an inbound engine that's working for you when you're sleeping, having DMs waiting for you, and that's where your focus should be. So the big question is, where do you start? Well, you see, people buy from people, not from companies. And so building a personal brand is critical to your success. Otherwise, it can cripple your business. So at the Academy, we went out to solve that problem. It's not just about looking good online, it's for having a system to generate leads and have predictable revenue day in, day out. So here's 3 ways you can work together. Personal brand boss. This is to create a follow-worthy personal brand that brings those ideal clients to your LinkedIn DMs daily. Number 2, the content conversion system. This is where you'll get never shared LinkedIn algorithms and you'll learn them, and along with how to create that content that open those hearts and wallets. It's guaranteed to attract ideal clients to your DMs on autopilot. And for those who want to go all in, we've got the LinkedIn Business Academy. This is a whole step-by-step system to turn your LinkedIn connections into high-ticket clients with clarity, conviction, and confidence. Let's make LinkedIn work for you and your business. You've got the strategies, the support, and the tools to succeed. It's all here. So thanks for watching. Let's keep growing, and remember, we're your biggest LinkedIn cheerleaders. Click below for a free profile checklist and a conversion playbook just for you to get started and move that needle today. And if you like the video, give it a like and hit the subscribe button for more content just like this.